The Orange Show Center for Visionary Art is well known for their annual art card parade, but they also have Smither Park, a hidden gem. The playful park has winding walking paths decorated with mosaics of dolphins, musical instruments, and more. If you need to rest, you can sit on a bench with Mosaic residents of the park. Even the columns of the pavilion have unique chandeliers and mosaic jars embedded in their structures. Thrones, hearts, mermaids, farm animals, and human faces all make appearances among the different panels of the memory wall, a 400-foot backdrop of the park. Whether you want to read, swing on the 3 giant park benches, or lollygag on the amphitheater stage, this Wonderland is an experience to soak in.